Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could insert a background into Microsoft Excel. So let's open our Microsoft file and let's select let's insert the background which we want to do. So we'll click on insert and we will look for background. If you are unable to find the option in the option background in insert, just go to tell me what you want to do. You type background and here it will give us the option to choose background. We'll select it. We'll select work offline if you don't want to upload it from the internet. And here we will look for our picture which we want to insert in the background. I will select this one and I will select insert. As you can see, it has inserted my picture into the background and it's working. So if you want to change it, you can always just go back and we will again do background and we'll choose a background picture to be added. Let's see how it looks like. And as you can see, the picture has been added into the background. If you're still unable to add background, then I will suggest you to update your Microsoft Office and this should solve the issue. If you are still in need of help or our assistance, you can always either send us an email or just leave us a comment with the error code which you are getting and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.